In 2 years, we have reformed our economy. Not to ask for aid, but to be ready for business. We've re-engaged with international financial institutions, put in place public financial mechanisms in place, put in place anti-corruption mechanisms in place, put in place proper fiscal and financial discipline, and satisfied every single criteria that our national financial institutions have put in front of us, which now gives us an opportunity. In the next year, hopefully by February 2020, raise clearance from international financial institutions, including World Bank, IMF, African Development Bank, and others. That means that a new Somalia. On top of that, we've been trying to reform our policies. New constitution is underway. New electoral model is underway. Political party system process is underway. Resource sharing mechanisms, fiscal federalism, political power sharing mechanisms, all are on the verge of being completed. Which in reality means, with that, we lay in the foundation for policies that will guide our nation for the next 100 years. That reform will cater for the future generation in our country. The third element that we've been engaged in is, because of you, your respective African countries, those of you whom your brave men and women in uniform are serving our country under the banner of Amazon, you have done what history will be called the best African mission the world ever known. Because of the sacrifices made by our continent. The ultimate sacrifices some countries who are here, including Kenya, Ethiopia, Djibouti, Burundi, and others, have made. We can talk about these reforms today. The third reform, therefore, is security sector reform. And we are preparing to take over from our brothers and sisters once we have reformed our armed forces, enhanced their capability, recruited, retooled, retrained, and repositioned. We are not there yet, but we're very close, and that is our ultimate goal, both police and military. And of course, there will not be any government that cannot provide services to its people. To seek legitimacy, you will need to provide services to your people. And to do that, our government have been trying to build roads and hospitals to provide educational and health services to our people. However limited, but the foundations are set.